Hello, I'm Steve Moore, Director of Sales and Development. And whether you're new to sales or a seasoned sales professional, we start all of our agents off with a stipend of $2,400 to support them getting started at PMA. We also have you attend what we call Skills Week. It's virtual training, it's a week long, but in that class, we teach you all about our state-of-the-art technology and our world-class presentation.
Yeah, so first week training is a great opportunity for all of us, especially because the people doing first week training, we've all started from the same spot, so we know exactly what you're looking for. Okay, first week training, you're looking at a lot of hands-on learning where you're in the field learning how to knock doors with a coach or a manager by your side the entire time, making sure you're comfortable with what you're doing, but also getting the best experience possible for it.
In second week training, you ride around with your regional manager. You're shoulder to shoulder in the car. You're gonna see every aspect of this job, and you're gonna be with someone who's been here for years, who's been in the trenches, who knows what to look out for. You're gonna be asked to participate, but at the same time, it's such a comfort because there's nothing you're gonna run into that you don't have a personal guide with you the entire time. The regional manager in that second week training is like the padding in a room. When you're set loose, you're not running around bumping into hard objects. I'm there to help ease you into it and make sure we have a blast and we make a ton of money at the same time.
For new agents to be successful, there is always somebody there to help. During the first week, there's always a district manager there riding with you to make sure you're successful. The second week is a regional manager to be with you to help you be successful. And from your third week on, all three of us managers, to include myself as a state manager, we're there to ride with you, to teach you, and to work with you.